Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our Volkswagen Touareg on a 67 plate. This is the R-Line Plus that we have, finished in deep black pearl. The R-Line Plus, you've got the 21-inch Malloy alloys. You have front and rear parking sensors and also area view, which gives you a 360-degree view of the car. Also incorporating the rear view camera, which you see just on the bottom there, and also a front camera as well. Car, I say, has only just arrived with us, but cars like this don't hang around for long. Obviously you've got keyless entry, push button start, a 14-way electrical adjustable seat, panoramic sunroof, sat nav, heated steering wheel. The car has only done 6,747 miles. I say, it's an absolutely stunning car in really good condition and one owner from new. So for more details on this car, pick the phone up, ask for Phil in sales, that's myself, and hopefully we can chat further about it. Many thanks.